The Supreme Court has ordered that migrant workers are to be transported back to their hometowns within 15 days. All cases registered against migrants who have allegedly violated lockdown orders to be considered for withdrawal under the Disaster Management Act 2005. The top court has also ordered that the centre and states have to prepare a list for identification of migrant workers in a streamlined manner, and employment relief and skill mapping has to be carried out for all migrant labourers. Addressing a virtual rally for Odisha from New Delhi on Monday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the government may have made a mistake or fallen short while dealing with the COVID-19 outbreak and the ensuing migrant workers crisis, but its commitment was clear. He also lashed out at the Congress party for questioning the government, alleging that apart from interviews, the opposition did nothing. The World Health Organization said Monday that the coronavirus pandemic situation was worsening around the globe as it warned against complacency. The WHO said it has recorded its highest daily tally of new infections with COVID-19 raging in the Americas after it ravaged Asia and Europe. The WHO chief, addressing a news conference in Geneva, said that more than 100,000 cases have been reported on 9 of the past 10 days. On June 7th, more than 136,000 cases were reported, the most in a single day so far. Reports quoting top technocrats at the centre say that as the COVID-19 case count rises, cities like Delhi and Mumbai, which are worst hit, may have to test only those who are hospitalized. This will be the mitigation strategy that needs to be adopted to save on resources that are limited in supply, even as the cases continue to surge. However, senior officials in the Health Ministry have ruled out any immediate change in the current testing strategy. Delhi Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal on Monday issued 2 orders that struck down key announcements made by the Delhi government in the past week to reserve beds in private and Delhi government hospitals for residents of Delhi and to limit the scope of COVID-19 testing. Taking to Twitter, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said Baijal's move would throw up challenges, but his government would strive to meet them. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said that the BJP had influenced the Lieutenant Governor's action. About the territory dispute between India and China in eastern Ladakh, China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Hua Qinying said the two sides will work to maintain peace and tranquility along the border and create a good atmosphere. She said the situation overall is stable and controllable, and the two sides are ready to engage in consultation to properly solve the relevant issues.